welcome to the Miata journey. I am Kevin, and today is going to be a short video of just an unboxing of these Carbon Miata taillight assemblies for my NB Miata. I'm not going to do an install video today because I am still working on putting my bumper back together. I had taken it apart to look at the damage from someone rear-ending me. So one of the reasons I needed new taillights is because of the cracked taillight I have here, as well as up top here, and also one of the bolts that gets connected is busted off the plastic. One of the other fine features from this little bumper smash was my lock core being pushed in, which I will need to repair at some point by just hammering that back to make it hopefully a little bit more straight, but currently working on putting the rest of the bumper back on, all these little side pieces and my little mud flaps. So with that, let's get to the unboxing here. And as you can see, I did purchase this from Carbon Racing. They are a Carbon Miata supplier, so you don't have to order it from overseas directly and deal with all the excise taxes and long shipping times. Alright, start off, you get a little bit of instructions telling you how to do it. This is for the NB Miata from 98 to 2005, so covers NB1 and NB2. Tells you everything you need to take care of it. Actually looks pretty nice. Pretty detailed instructions. Set that off to the side. And this is, I've seen it mentioned in other videos, this one is good packaging, so you can place your old tail lights into this box to use at a later time if you so need to. Alright, let's get this thing undone here. So just looking at the back, very similar to your standard ones. You got the little gasket plug, let it keep all the elements out. You can look at other specs on how this works, but pretty much this just plugs right into your stock location and you're good to go. Believe you can unplug one of these if you weren't going to use a specific function. I think one of that is the startup animation, so you can turn those off. But you have your main assembly plug, the resistor that's on there, and then this is your startup animation. So if you don't want the startup animation, which I will show once they are installed, then just unplug that and you're good to go. But you do have your resistor here, and this will need to stay plugged in. And this one is, I got the light smoked variation to go along with my red and black theme that I have going. So this one's look quite nice. And it's going to be just the same here. Doesn't matter here for easy install later, but should be pretty much plug and play. For installing this will be pretty simple. We'll just have your little nuts that go on this side and right here, and then the screw just up on top, so these should be really nice and quick. I do have on mine, let's go over here real quick. I don't know if I have this, you can see I have these little connections that go into my smoked little side reflector, so I have these ones light up. Usually the NB one did not have that, so I'll have to fiddle with some wiring for that. But that is what you should expect in your packaging for if you get this for the Carbon Miata taillights. They are fairly expensive, but they look really nice. I'm hoping they'll last a long time as long as no one hits me again. So, all right, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you.